How to log in DBS account online. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Rose and I'll walk you through how to log in or sign in into DBS account online. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. Launch a web browser on your device. With the help of the address bar at top, type in DBS account online or simply type in login and press enter on your keyboard. You will land on this result page where you'll get multiple websites. Simply click on the first one, that is DBS iBanking. So you need to wait patiently until the section loads. Now you are here on this login section of DBS Digibank, where you need to simply enter your user ID and PIN and click on login button. In case if you are new to DBS account, click on Get Started and create your account. If you forget user ID or PIN, click on Forget User ID or PIN at bottom left corner of your screen and recover your ID or PIN. And with that, you will log into DBS iBanking. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.